Hello, welcome to yet another class. So we're going to be making a simple cycle dress. First of all, you're going to fold your fabric into two like this, and then you fold it into a bias form like this. That is making it into two for the front, two for the back. So now that we've folded the fabric like this, we're going to go straight into our measurement. Please stay tuned. Now for measurements, we are going to be coming down by our any place our shoulder measurement stops. My shoulder measurement stops at 6.5 inches. So I'm going to be marking that place, and please forget this other part that I did. So now I'm going to be taking my shoulder measurement, which is 6.5 inches on that line, and then I'm going to be taking my neck depth and neck width, which I use 3.5 in 3.5 in 3 inches, whichever way you want it to be. And then for the back, I'm going to be taking in 2 inches, and I'm going to be connecting to the shoulder line like so. And now I'm going to be rolling from our shoulder to our chest line, from our shoulder to our chest line. But first of all, I roll down to the bust point, which is actually not really needed, but I'm going to roll straight from our shoulder down, and then that place I roll down is to our chest point, not to the bust point. So I'm going to come down by one of an inch from the shoulder for our armhole slant, and then I'm going to be taking my round bust plus 2 inches. Our round bust divided by 4. Then I'm going to be adding 2 inches for it to be free. And then for the armhole curve, I'm going to be dividing my armhole into 2, and I'm going to be taking in half of an inch. I'm going to be going in by half of an inch, and I'm going to be curving it like so. Now, after doing that, I'm going to be rolling from our armhole straight down to our hem line. After this, you're going to measure from that tip of the fabric down to the length, your desired length. But I didn't do that. I forgot about it because I already knew the length I was going to do. So, but if you are just starting, please measure from the tip of that place to where you want your length to be. So I am cutting this way, and now you are going to cut out the back neckline first, because when you are done, you're going to be pulling it out from the inner part, and then you cut the front neckline. If you know how to sew and cut, you will know this already. And now I'm going to be taking out the full length that I desire. Please remember, you should take it first before cutting your neckline. So this is me taking out my full length. As you can see, that's the mistake I made when I told you to take the measurement first before cutting out your pattern. I had to fix in the neck part so I can determine my full measurement. sorry, that place couldn't show, and then I couldn't make a video of everything because the light went off. So now that we are done, we are going to be cutting out our pattern. It's just a very, very simple pattern, and it is a very, very simple way to sew. You just have to sew in 1/2 of an inch on both sides of your measurement, and you're going to put in 1/2 of an inch on the shoulder part for sewing allowance also. Please do not forget that. And now we're going to cut out our pattern like so. Remember, in this pattern I did not cut out my neck, my front neck, because I did it after this video. I was rushing because this was an urgent work for my younger sister. So now that I'm done, I'm going to be cutting out the sleeve. And the length of this sleeve is going to be 10 inches. For your cap height, you divide your bust divided by 12 plus 1 inch to get your cap height. So mine is 3.5 inches, and I'm going to take it like so, and I'm going to rule straight. Now to get your bicep, you divide your bust divided by 6 plus 1.5 to get your bicep measurement. And now you're going to rule straight to now I'm taking out my my length, my full length, the round full length, which is 9 inches, and I'm going to be adding plus 2 inches because I want it to be free, but I'm going to be sewing in 1 inch. Remember, on the bicep bicep line, I added 1 inch for the sewing allowance too, and I'm going to go up by 2 inch because that is where my M line is going to be folded from. Please, I hope you're understanding. I'm just recording this voice note very early in the morning. I just wanted to post this because I forgot it in my gallery. And now I'm going to connect from that place straight to my bicep with a curved rule. Do not curve in too much. And from that bicep, I'm going to extend it to the upper part. Remember, I added 1 inch. So from that to 1 inch, you're going to now you divide that part into 2 and mark. I'm going to go up by 1/2 of an inch, and then you connect with your curved rule like so. You connect it with your hand or your curved rule. And now I'm done cutting it. For the sewing, you just have to do it this way and then sew 1 inch on both sides, and then you connect to the dress. And then we're done with this class. Thank you so much. And here is the review. I hope to see you in the next class. Thank you for watching my video. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Bye.